Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, A Bunch of Tech. So today in this video I will tell you 3 ways how you can make a free website in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. First one is Wix.com. It is the best application or website used for making websites. As I logged in, so there are so many options like blog, community, online store. So and you can also search any category. So I search technology, YouTube personality, and you can enter any name. I just enter a bunch of tech. So you can also make a mobile app or website. It is a great way to use this app, and you can make a free website in just few minutes. You can see its insights, analytics, contacts. There are many things to know about this app. Branding and marketing. As my site is ready, it took few minutes. So here is my website. There are so many options for editing anything. It is mobile app, website. Here is my website. So you can edit everything and make your own website. You can change layout, select any theme, and there are so many options of about, section, or many things, themes. So yeah, my site is updating. You can also manage sections. So yeah, this is the Wix. Second one is WordPress. Enter your email or sign in thing. I am just logged in, so I am writing my name. Just enter your email and password, and yeah, here is my account is ready. So there are 3 options. I am not taking. So there are so many categories like camping, community, culture, entertainment, family, fashion, fiction, gardening, gaming, history, inspiration. So many options. Here you can see. I'm just selecting internet, social media. Yeah. So there are some posts here that you can also read. There are so many sections like discover, like, saved. You can make your own site here. It is blog, professional, business. Just search your domain name. I'm just writing a techie bunch. So there are so many domain names here, so I use that. So you can see also the preview how your site is looking. So there are so many options is also available: stats, active plans, days, weeks, blog post, media, so many options. You can select any theme. I use this. Third one is Webley. It is also a great application for website making. Here there are two categories. Just select any of them. There are so many themes here for select, and it is depend on you what you have to select. So I just choose this one. So it take only some time for loading. So my site is loading. So there are also, here you can see at the bottom there are so many options. Store, you can see here you can add any items. So I added my site. There are so many options as you can see here: edit text, image, video. So I just click the heading. Yeah. So there are so many things you can do. Yeah. So a bunch of text. There are so many pages you can add in this website. It is a very helpful application. You can see your stats, account, store, so many things are here. So don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Subscribe this channel for upcoming videos related to technology.